45.
45.
45.
Im Kino.
At the cinema.
At the cinema.
Wir wollen ins Kino.
We want to go to the cinema.
We want to go to the cinema.
Heute läuft ein guter Film.
A good film is playing today.
A good film is playing today.
Der Film ist ganz neu.
The film is brand new.
The film is brand new.
Wo ist die Kasse?
Where is the cash register?
Where is the cash register?
Gibt es noch freie Plätze?
Are seats still available?
Are seats still available?
Was kosten die Eintrittskarten?
How much are the admission tickets?
How much are the admission tickets?
Wann beginnt die Vorstellung?
When does the show begin?
When does the show begin?
Wie lange dauert der Film?
How long is the film?
How long is the film?
Kann man Karten reservieren?
Can one reserve tickets?
Can one reserve tickets?
Ich möchte hinten sitzen.
I want to sit at the back.
I want to sit at the back.
Ich möchte vorn sitzen.
I want to sit at the front.
I want to sit at the front.
Ich möchte in der Mitte sitzen.
I want to sit in the middle.
I want to sit in the middle.
Der Film war spannend.
The film was exciting.
The film was exciting.
Der Film war nicht langweilig.
The film was not boring.
The film was not boring.
Aber das Buch zum Film war besser.
But the book on which the film was based was better.
But the book on which the film was based was better.
Wie war die Musik?
How was the music?
How was the music?
Wie waren die Schauspieler?
How were the actors?
How were the actors?
Gab es Untertitel in englischer Sprache?
Were there English subtitles?
Were there English subtitles?